What's this sticky stuff? Honey? How did that get there?
Where does honey come from anyway?
That jar.
No, I mean, how is it actually made?
Well, there's a bee on the label. I think they make it.
We should do a dance about bees!
Yeah! I don't know much about them though.
Me neither. But we know who will.
Auntie B!
I'll just buzz over to her.
What did the bee say to the flower? Hello, honey. Bees make a buzz sound. I like bees. Bees make honey. They're very special creatures.
The Body Brothers!
Auntie B, what you got there?
Hi, Cian. This is a static electricity generator. It's very attractive.
Oh yeah, it's attracting that can.
Now, what can I do for you?
I need to find out all about bees.
Una, bees, please. Showing bees. Here is a bumblebee. And here are some honeybees. Can you spot the difference?
Bumblebees are round and fuzzy, and honeybees are smaller and thinner.
Correct! And bees are very important. Bees help all of us by carrying something very precious from plant to plant, something called pollen. And they do it using electricity. Static electricity. As they fly around, bees build up static electricity on their bodies, just like my generator here. And when they visit a flower, the static electricity attracts pollen from the flower and makes it stick to them. Plants use pollen to make seeds so that new plants can grow. And that includes lots of the plants that we eat.
Wow! So carrying pollen from plant to plant really is a very important job then.
Yes.
But what about honey then?
Bees also collect nectar from flowers, and nectar is what they use to make honey. They suck up the nectar with their long tongue, which is shaped like a straw.